Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and in this particular session we are going to see the prime number. Like if the number is given, then that number is prime or not, we need to check. So for that we'll try to write down the one program. So again I will create one class over here, like I can say prime number main method, and here I will just take one number like integer number equal to, I can say 7, as 7 is a prime number. So let's try to understand what is prime number. So the prime number is the number which can be divisible by itself and 1. Okay, so prime number is the number which can be divisible by itself and 1. So 3 is a prime number which can be divisible by 3 and 1. Okay, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17. Okay, so these are the prime number. 23, even 19 I think. So these are the prime number, okay, which are divisible by them and 1 only. So we need to find out if any number is given, then that is a prime or not. So for that I am just take one number, okay, and we'll use one more variable like count equal to 0. So the initial value of count is 0. So this is the counter value, we can say that. Now we'll apply the condition. First of all, if, sorry, let's give some space. If number is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so this is the first condition. If the number is greater than equal to 0, then only we are going to check that number is a prime or not. So after this condition, most of the cases this will be true. So after this condition, we will apply the for loop. So like for, and now in a for loop we are going to divide the given number with the every possible value, uh, every lesser value. We are going to try and we are going to sorry we are going to divide this number by every possible value lesser than this number. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just declare integer I equal to 2. Now the question is like why I started from 2, because this number is already divided by 1. So definitely that should be divided by 1, but that number should not be divided by any number than the other than 1 and itself. So that's why I started from 2. Then I will put a condition like I less than number. Okay, so this is the condition, and I plus plus. So now here I will put a condition like if this number, whatever the given number we have, modulus I means it will start from 2, modulus I equal to 0. Okay, so I can say like this. Okay, so let's try it. Let's delete this. Okay, so if number modulus I means what, the number which is given to us, that is number modulus I means the value of for loop start from 2. So 2 3 4 5 up to 6, we can say that. So the number should, if the number modulus I equal to 0, then what can I say here, I will increment the count. Okay, I will increment the count, and then the condition is like if any number is able to divide by 2, okay, and we are getting the remainder as a 0 like here, and we are incrementing the value of count, then there is no need to check this number again and again add this number is further divided by 3 4 5 or 6 or not. Okay, let's try to understand this. Like what we are going to check, the number is going to divide by from 2 to that number is not. Okay, so first of all I'm going to divide this number, or I'm going to find out the modulus of this number by 2. If the value is 0, okay, we can say that if the number is completely divided, then I'm going to increment the count. And now further I don't need to check the number is divided going to divide by 3 or 4 or 5 up to that up to any number lesser than 7. Okay, because it is already divided by 2, then there is no need of further checking. So what I will do, I will apply the break over here, because if this condition true, then count will increment and this should be break because that number is completely divided by other than 1 and its own. So that's why I apply the break. And now here I will apply one more condition, like if the count is 1, then I can say the number, we can say that number plus is non prime number. Okay, so if the count is 1, so that is what the non-prime number, it is non-prime number. And in a else block, else block, I will just copy this, let's make it somewhat bigger, and here I will print like is a prime number. So let's try to execute this. So we know that we have given a number as a 7, so 7 is a prime number. So if I'm going to execute, so what is my expectation, that the output should be like 7 is a prime number. Let's see, 7 is a prime number, give some space, 7 is a prime number. Then I will check for 10. So 10 is divided by 2 and 5, so that is not a prime number at all. So 10 is not non-prime number or not prime number, we can say that. And even if I try to calculate for 23, and again I apply the condition, so 23 is a prime number. So in this way we can find the any number is a prime number or not by using this particular condition. But remember why we are applying break, because if any number is completely divisible by 2, 3, 4, 4, any number, then there is no need to further check uh, is that given number is divisible by any another number or not. So that's why we just break it. So after breaking, it will come out of the loop and will get done. Thank you.